welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about HP ProBook series out there, 6360 out here. Talking about this variant, let us talk about ProBook word out there or ProBook series. HP ProBook series was basically designed for the corporate world out here. Yes, ProBook series was basically designed for the corporate world, and when we talk about the corporate world, it includes every kind of the sector, like small sectors in the corporate world, large sectors, upcoming sectors, all these kind of things. Corporate world is really a vast version out here, whereas if we talk about ProBook series, then we can say that the ProBook out here offers you embedded security, which is a constant out there, that is really constant, which is TPM 1.2 security set. Yes, you get to have security of TPM 1.2 out here. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say it is offering you an operating system from Windows Professional Kit. Yes, Windows operating system is there with 64 bytes computerization and a good output out there. Along with that, you get to see that all the variants in the ProBook series, they are actually notebook series out there. And they are the kind of notebook versions. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the processor, that is the CPU core system out there. We already know that ProBook series, most of the gadgets, mostly every uh, second gadget, we can say every second release out here offers you processing from Intel, and the same happens to be in this gadget. Talking about the processing, it offers you Intel Core i5 second generation process with a clock speed or the base speed of 2.3 gigahertz. Yes, it offers you a clock speed of 2.3 gigahertz out here. Along with that, you get to see a max turbo speed. Yes, when we talk about the max turbo speed out here, it is offering you 2.9 gigahertz. Yes, 2.9 gigahertz is the max turbo speed offered out here. Along with that, you get to see a Intel Core i5 second generation with a base speed of 2.3. So overall, if we talk about the speeding, that is really good. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the core system. Talking about the core, then we can say that it offers you dual core processor out here. Yes, it is offering you dual core processing. Along with that, it offers you a core system out here with a dual core, and as well as if we talk about the uh, chip system, because dual core is very common out here, or some might have quad core also, but having you a chip system is a mandatory. Mostly gadgets in ProBook offers you a chip system out there, offering you a chip system of mobile Intel Express. Yes, it is offering you a chip system of mobile Intel Express out here. Along with that, you get to have a Intel Turbo Boost technology. Yes, this is an additional featuring in uh, some of the ProBook series gadgets, that is the Intel Turbo Boost technology out here. Talking about this Intel Turbo Boost technology, we can say it is offering you a good boost technology out here. Along with that, it offers you a cache memory. Let us talk about the memory now, because offering you these kind of things are really good. But talking about memory, we can say the first is the cache memory out here. First in the list comes out to be the cache memory. It offers you L3 cache memory type. Yes, the cache memory type offered out here is the L3 type cache memory with an install size of 3 MB. Yes, 3 MB is the installed size out here with this. So overall, if you talk about the sizing and everything, then we can say that L3 cache memory with 3 MB size is really good. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the RAM also. RAM is the random accessory memory out here, and we know that when we talk about RAM, then we can say that ProBook series usually have an installed size or the installed RAM of 4 GB. Yes, installed RAM size is the 4 GB RAM, and so we see in this version also, that is 6360 out here. Along with that, it offers you DDR3 RAM type with a speed, that is the memory speed or the rated memory speed of 1333 megahertz. Yes, 1333 megahertz is the rated memory speed out here offered by this gadget. Along with that, you get to see that this variant out here offers you a good memory specifications as well as a configuration out here, which is one configuration out there. That is the one slot for 4 GB out here. So let us talk about this RAM only, because 4 GB is usually not sufficient out here. So most of the ProBook gadgets or the ProBook series have an expandable or the maximum support size out there. So the support size or the maximum support size offered out here is up to 8 GB. Yes, the maximum support size offered out is 8 GB support size. Talking about this variant, we can say that it has got two slot stations with the same speed of about 1333 megahertz and DDR3 RAM type. But what about the hard drive? Because RAM alone does not make a gadget store free, or the storage is not just defined by the RAM. It is defined by the hard drive storage too. Talking about the hard drive storage, then we can say that it offers you a spindle speed of 7200 RPM. Since there is a spindle speed of 7200 RPM, so it is mandatory to have a hard drive storage type of HDD. So you get to have an HDD type hard drive storage out there. Now talking about this hard drive storage type and everything, let us talk about the size also. Talking about the size, it offers you 320 GB internal stored size. Yes, 320 GB is the internal stored size out here, which is offered by this gadget. Along with that, you get to see that this variant out offers you great specifications, great range in everything out there. Every factor, every parameter is worked out. We know that HP usually designs its gadget on keeping in mind the environmental factors like the shock, humidity, or temperature, every kind of the parameters, so that it provides or it produces optimum results out there. And so we can see in this gadget also. Now talking about the screen size, display and everything, we can see that it offers you a diagonal size of 33.8 centimeters. Yes, there is a diagonal size of, or we can say the screen size of 33.8 centimeters out here. Along with that, you get to have a display which is LED backlight HD anti-glance display. Now, what is this display all about? It is offering you a display screen of LED type, which has a technology of backlight. Yes, backlight technology could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to see a resolution of HD resolution. Now, this HD resolution or the display resolution is the HD resolution, which is 1366 into 768. So this is the HD resolution. Whereas monitor is providing you a feature, that is the display featuring out here, that is the anti-glance featuring. So overall, it provides LED backlight anti-glance HD resolution display out here with a screen size of 33.8 centimeters. Overall, if we talk about this variant, then we can say it is providing you a good display out here. But outcome on the display is not just determined by the size and everything, but by the graphic processor out there, or the graphics plays the important role for that. Talking about the graphics, we can say that it provides you the graphic processor of Intel HD Graphics 3000. Yes, Intel HD Graphics 3000 is being used out here. So it provides a good technology and everything, with integrated webcams, touch speakers, microphones out here. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you a good dynamic video memory technology. Yes, dynamic video memory technology 5 could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, connectivities to various things like USB connectivity, audio input output jack connectivity, power connectivity, optical drive connectivity, removable could be seen out here. So you get to have these kind of things also. SD card reading connectivity, multi-card reading connectivity could be seen in this variant too. Now, every kind of things could be seen, but a gadget's main power is determined by the battery. So let us talk about the battery also. It offers you 6-cell lithium ion 55 volts battery. Yes, it is offering you 6-cell lithium ion 55 volts capacity battery out there. Overall, it is a very good version out there, very good variation out there. Apart from that, if we talk about the gadget, then pricing is another important factor out here. So we know that ProBook series are actually pocketable and budget friendly. So let us talk about this gadget at this site, that is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you great range of specifications and products out there. But this gadget out here, or this site specifically, if we talk about, this offers you your gadgets in the best price from the market. Yes, best market price could be seen out here. Apart from that, other sites might not offer you customizability option, but this site offers you customizability option for the gadgets which are possible from the company itself. Yes, if company has allowed the customizability, so you can customize your gadgets accordingly. Now let us search this gadget in the search icon, and let us search this ProBook out here. So this is the result out here. Talking about the results, we can say that it offers you HP ProBook series out there, business laptop. Under the condition of refurbished, along with that, it has got a small description at the bottom with the pricing out there. So you get to have a condition out there, refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand and or certified refurbished products, we can say that these are actually the same the synonyms out there, because refurbished product and brand new products are quite similar. What happens in a brand new product, they are directly released from the company, whereas in the refurbished product category you get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now, what is pre-owned gadgets out there? Pre-owned gadgets are nothing else but the gadgets which have been once released in the market, and the user is actually owning that gadget and is reselling it. That is what pre-ownization means. They have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, they have got the same testers. Everything is same. Like whatever the brand new specifies, any specification is the same specification or the featuring out in the refurbished or certified refurbished product. Now let us talk about these refurbished and certified refurbished or brand new pathway out there, like how this pre-ownization takes place. And when we talk about this pathway, then it includes a base, mediator, and a consumer. Now, what is a consumer out here? When we talk about the consumers, we can say that consumers and base are nothing else but a common factors which are company and the user. Talking about the base in brand new is always the company. It will always and always remain the constant out there. The constant thing about base is the company. In brand new gadgets, it will always be the company. It can be any company out here, Dell, HP, Ace, Lenovo, any Nokia, any kind of company, any kind of brand which is releasing its gadget, its model for the first time is known as a brand new gadget by the company. Now it is being sold to a marketplace. It is brought up in the marketplace out here. Now what happens is, when it is brought up in the market, then it is named or conditioned as brand new gadget. Now the gadget is being sold to a new user. Yes, now the marketplace has got a user interface out there. The user buys this gadget from the marketplace and you get to have that gadget. Now what happens is, when you have that gadget out there, you get to have a good specifications, everything. You like that gadget a lot. But after some time, we usually get bored of it, or we want to resell. We don't want to use that gadget, in short. What happens is, when we want to resell that gadget, when we are bored or we want to sell it off, then it is brought back to another marketplace, which is the mediator out here. Now, this gadget is known as a pre-owned gadget. Yes, now it is not a brand new gadget, it is a pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget, when brought in the marketplace, is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished product after testing and being approved by the site. Yes, if it is tested and verified, if it is not passed in all, or it does not pass all the parameters, or any it fails anyway, then it is not considered at all. It is not at all considered there. Now, when we talk about these parameters, then we can say that these parameters include a lot of things, external and internal parameters, which we will discuss on. Now it is brought in the market. Now what happened? It is verified. It is brought up in the site. Now a new user wants to have that gadget, and that is brought up from that site. That product is named as refurbished product. Yes, this product is named as refurbished product. Now talking about the testing sites and all, brand new products, wherever it is being launched, it is tested and verified in different places. Yes, there are a lot of sites for testing. Whereas for refurbished product, only and only that site, that particular site will be responsible for testing, approving that gadget, which a user has sold off its gadget to. Yes, user जिस भी gadget अपने gadget को जिस भी site पर sold off करता है, जहाँ पे भी आप उसको buy करने जा रहे हैं, वो साइट ही उसको टेस्ट करती है, उसको एनालाइज करती है, रिप्लेस करती है, मॉडिफाई करती है, वट एवर इज डन ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर साइट. So this is the major difference. Otherwise, you will find the same design, same functionality, same testing, everything is same. Now let us come to the testing parameters, because we know that testing is important. And talking about the testing parameters, let us talk about the what kind of testing parameters it has. It usually have two type of testing parameters, internal and external parameters. So what are internal parameters and external parameters? These are the major classification of parameters which can be analyzed on the basis of softwares or tools required or not. External parameters does not require any software because they can be seen directly through eyes, or we do not require any highly specified gadgets for that. Now what are these parameters? These parameters are nothing else but the design out there, external design, keyboard, keys intact there, keys working, like whether the keys are working or not. Touchpad is there, the whether touchpad is providing all the touch controls, is it working on the gestures or not. Camera, whether it's clicking a good quality photo or not. Audio out there, jack systems, the connectors out there, USB, SD, audio input out, power jack, these buttons out there, these connectors. So externally, these things like the scratches on that gadget, if you have scratches or not, everything whichever can be seen directly through eyes are checked out there. So you get to have external parameters out there जिन्हें आप देख सकते हैं अपनी eyes से, and you can verify out there. Because the first thing which comes or we check in every gadget is the look, the overall look, and things which we check are keys and everything out there. So these do not require any tool, any software, directly through eyes could be done. But it is not same the case of internal parameters. Internal parameters require a lot of specified gadgets, specified tools, specified softwares, or highly designed softwares we can say. Because these are testing and verifying the internal components, the minute components out there, like the internal processor, core, or any kind of processor it is using. The graphics out there, the resolution, the type of display it is using. If the connectors are not working, then the signal are passing through it or not. Battery is swollen or not, or the battery is providing appropriate voltage or not. So everything has to be checked, like whatever the internal components like memory, the speed out there, everything has to be checked. So overall, all the internal components which are major parts of this has to be checked there. Now talking about these major parts and everything, what would happen if it would fail in any of the parts? Because there are chances that some gadgets might not pass all the tests. What happens is if it can be replaced or it can be renewed out there, then the gadget or that particular part is being renewed or replaced with the original part. Yes, with the original part, it is being replaced, renewed out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is absolutely newly like gadget now. Yes, the refurbished products are absolutely newly like, they are packed along with the accessories in a proper bag out there, in a proper container we can say, or the proper packaging is done out there. So just like the way company releases into the market, it is the same way out there. But what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new, or why we should choose refurbished products? because refurbished products are really good in pricing. Yes, if you talk about the pricing, if you talk about pricing about these gadgets, then you will get to see that they offer you a good pricing out here, which is pocketable rates. When we talk about pricing, we know that brand new gadgets are actually expensive. They are expensive out there. Whereas you get to see that when brand new products are expensive, as well as everything is done, so you will see the refurbished products are not that expensive. They are quite pocketable. And since they are pocketable gadgets, so you can have a difference in the pricing. So there is a difference out in the pricing. So you get to have a savings out there. Yes, you can save a good amount of saving. Like if you talk about savings, then depending upon the gadget pricing and all, you can save up to 15, 40. Like, there is a huge number out there for savings. Talking about another factor is the warranty period. Yes, talking about the warranty, then we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty as well as exchange policy. But does it offer the same policy with refurbished? Because pre-owned gadgets we buy from any normal person, we don't get any warranty period. But when we talk about the refurbished products, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 7 exchange policy. Yes. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. That is an additional factor, additional point to this refurbished category. Now, overall, if we talk about then pocketable rates are there, you get to have a good savings, warranty period of 6 months, exchange policy of 7 days out there. So why not try refurbished products then? You can definitely try out these refurbished products. And the site we were discussing, that is justatclick.com. Yes, we were at this site, that is justatclick.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets or favorite model out there. And when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that this site, this particular site, that is justatclick.com, offers you a great range of products under the category of refurbished laptops or the refurbished gadgets out there. Yes, you get to have a large collection of gadgets from top reputed brands. You get to have pocketable rates. You get to have a great savings. Along with that, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Since it's a refurbished website, we can say refurbished gadgets are out here. So you get to have 6 months warranty period also. So do check out justatclick.com out here. Along with that, you also get to see it is offering you free home delivery. Along with that, it offers you money back guarantee and an online support system also. So you get to have an online support system, money back guarantee, free shipping. Now talking about the shipping, then we can say that at this site you get to have a 48 hours delivery time for mostly UAE parts, whereas Saudi might take a little longer, that is a 1 week time. But if you are customizing your gadget, because this site offers you an option that is customizability option. Yes, the site justatclick.com offers you customizability option. If you are customizing your gadget, then you might take a little longer. You can customize according to your needs if it is possible by the company itself. Yes, if the company has stated about the customizability, then you can customize your gadget. Now, this is for justatclick.com. Description has the link, so do visit out the link in the description box, and you can check out the website for best pricing.